Hey you guys, it's Michelle Miller with Remax in Motion, and I'm bringing you another one of our social distancing house hunting videos. We are looking at 9658 State Route 90 in Genoa, New York. This is 19 plus acre farm that used to be a CSA, Community Sponsored Agriculture. Melissa and I are both on site today, and we're going to show you all about this house. Thank you so much for your time and attention to our videos. So here we are at 9658 State Route 90 in Genoa. It was recently used as a CSA. It sits on 19 plus acres, which Melissa's showing you right now. There's some outbuildings. All right, we've got a greenhouse right here, okay? It does have heat, propane heat. That helps, obviously. We have a barn. We have two refrigerated areas. You guys, you are sitting on Route 90 and you have public water and high-speed internet, as Michelle just said. Very important components. Decent traffic on this road, obviously. You are almost, would you agree, right in between Auburn, Ithaca, and Cortland.
Yeah, absolutely.
So excellent location to be in those, but very rural. It is agriculturally zoned. There are two ponds out here, you guys, that you can use for irrigation. There is a high fence that has been put on the entire perimeter of this property, and that fence was put up to keep the deer out. So is it livestock? There's no pastures and there's no fencing in between. So if you had animals in here, you would make sure that you did something for the road. It's tillable acreage. It's done very well for the CSA.
Hey you guys, we're inside 9658 State Route 90. Come on in. So you can see it's an open flip floor layout. You have a gas stove and island. You have a big open space. Upstairs you'll find the owner's suite. So you have a really cool balcony up there, reading nook, studio, whatever you'd like to do. Upstairs you'll find a bedroom. You'll find a really nice bathroom with a full shower, excuse me, and a tub, and a sink, a walk-in closet, and your room. Around the corner you have the bedroom. So you have two bedrooms downstairs. It's a 2.5 bath home. So there's two bedrooms and a full bath. Upstairs is all the owner's suite. The ceilings are all open. It's a great space in here. This is you have this front porch out here. Let's take a closer look at the kitchen.
Show us those pantries,
Yeah,
Michelle.
let's look at these pantries. How cool is this? You can fit a ton of stuff in here. These go open like this.
If you were quarantined in your house, you have a lot of canned goods there, couldn't you?
You could make it for weeks and weeks and weeks. You look out to the front room. This is the other door. This looks out, there's my happy car. This looks out over the outbuildings, and this is really the front door. This goes to the garage door, or driveway. Okay, so here we are in a big open space. They created a beautiful open space in an old house. So let me get back here and I'll swing around so you can see how it all looks. So there's the staircase upstairs. There's another view of the kitchen. See, everything here is the stairs. This house is on Route 90, which is between King Ferry and the village of Genoa, on a big, easy route. If you wanted to start your own farm, it would be super easy for people to get here. Here is the upstairs. You have another big, really big landing here. Maybe you can put your home office here if you'd like, or a place for people to do homework or whatever. Here's a view down. Here's a view up. There's a view of the outside world. Okay, let's go ahead and see the master suite. A lot of old homes do not have master suites. You have a hallway bathroom. This property has 2.5 baths. So here's your master suite, or ensuite. You come through two pocket doors. You have a cool sink, huge big tub, nice big tiled shower, your toilet, And this space is all open. You have a skylight. You can sit in your bathtub and overlook the backyard. There's a little playhouse out there. It could be whatever you want it to be. Walk-in closet. They have some storage bins. Here's the view outside. Let me get without the... There's the view to outside. Okay, come through. And this is up here. And we're gonna go down the stairs. We swing around. Hardwood floors, Mexican tile for the kitchen. Here's one of the bedrooms downstairs. Again, hardwood floors, baseboard heat. Let me go in the corner so I can swing around. Okay, so we have 2 big windows, actually 3 windows in this room. Double closet, mirror, hardwood floors, view to the outside. There's that playhouse again. So this is one of the bedrooms downstairs. This is the other bedroom downstairs. Here's the playhouse again, just to orientate you. And here's the closet for this bedroom. Baseboard heat, hardwood floors, ample space. And in between is this full bathroom with ceramic tile on the bottom, ceramic tile walled, a cool clawfoot tub, new sink, pedestal sink, commode. You can't really, it's really hard for me to show you. Okay, there we go. So there's a big pantry, I would call it like a linen pantry here, for you to put all your stuff you need, and then there's built-in shelves here, all the way up to the ceiling. Okay? You got big, high ceilings. Space for everyone, space to play outside, lots of outbuildings.
9658 State Route 90. Come see it, you guys. It's very easy to show. Thank you.
Thanks. For more information on this property, please call Michelle Miller at 607-279-3071. Thank you very much. Stay safe.